So, one of the top tips pertaining to online presentation skills and online presentation etiquette is the art of looking into the eye of the camera. In other words, looking into the recipient's eye, so to speak. And that, of course, would mean that we focus our look right into camera. And that could be pretty difficult for some people, of course, because we're naturally inclined to want to look at faces. And therefore, if you see my eyes now, and I were to drop my eyes and look and talk to the faces and talk to the people, that is quite a comfort zone, right? However, if we can take our eye position from the faces and raise it and look straight into the eye of the camera, it really does create a sense of talking to each other and not at each other. And it does take practice, and it's incredibly difficult because it's distracting, because you've got movement and faces and so on just underneath your eye line. And what it also requires an immense amount of concentration, particularly if people are speaking to you and you still wish to look into the eye of the camera, so to speak. But with constant practice and just reminding yourself to do this, it will dramatically increase that rapport and that sense of simpatico. And a technique that you can use is to take your thumbnails and make them as small as possible and move them right up to the top of your screen as high as you possibly can, so that if you are inclined to want to look at faces when you're speaking, at least then you can go from camera just marginally down, which is a lot better than looking right down at the bottom or to the side. And that is one of the top tips for online presentation skills and presentation etiquette.